students. I am your English teacher Aditi Day. Okay, students, you all know that yesterday I have started the explanation of lesson 1, same or different. So, some of you have joined in 2 days before the school. So, I am going to give you a short review of the story beta. In this, I am going to tell you that it is the story about two friends, Snake and Baby Sparrow. So, they are good friends, but their parents are not happy that they will be as a friend in future also. So, they are giving the instructions to them while packing their lunch that don't do the friendship with the snake, Mama Sparrow is saying, and Father Snake is also saying that don't do the friendship with your food beta, because we eat the egg of sparrow daily. So when they met in a school, they are quite good friends. So they are very unhappy that their parents are always giving the instructions that don't do the friendship with each other, but they are good friends. So they want to that their parents can change their mind, and they want to change their parents views. That's why they are going to prove that they are mostly same than different. So they are doing the one exercise. In this, they have drawn two circles and going to write the similarities and differences in them, in which when they compare each other, so they are more times same than different. When they are talking with each other, while making the circle, they draw the pictures according to their appearance and their moving and some other things also. But at the last, they prove that they are more same than different. Okay, so go through the story. Story is very interesting. Okay, students, let's start the video beta. Children, as you all know, this is your lesson number 1, same or different, which I am demonstrated from yesterday's children. So in this, there is a story about two friends, Baby Sparrow and Baby Snake. In this, they are good friends, but their mother and father are not ready to make them friends. That's why they are want to show that their parents are wrong, and they said that let's show them that we are more same than different. So this is the story about. In this, now they are physically taking their appearance and said that we are physically very different, and the baby sparrow is look like a powder puff, and snake is longer in shape. So it is differences between them. After hearing this, headmaster elephant said harumph. When they are talking with each other, at that time headmaster elephant came there and said rumph. Snake and sparrow jumped hearing the loud sound. Now snake and sparrow are jumped after hearing the loud sound. The headmaster said, "Kids, the play is about to start." Headmaster Elephant is saying at this time that, "Kids, there is a time to play about to start. You must rush to the auditorium or else you will miss it." He's saying that go to the auditorium because play is going to start there, or else you will be miss it. "Sure, sir," they replied in unison and walked towards the auditorium with long faces. Means here headmaster said them to go to the auditorium, and they moved towards to auditorium and to see the to do something or the on the same time. In unison means to do something in a same time. There was the play about giraffe and white bell bird. And there was the play is about giraffe and white bell bird. Means two animals are there. One is giraffe and second is white bell bird. And they are going to play this story. Who were stuck on a big Iceland together. And they are sitting on a Iceland. The two had not met each other before but became friends on the Iceland. They are not seeing each other. Means bellbird and giraffe not seeing each other before but they are now good friends. They spent many days together happily in each other's company and they happily join their company and they are good friends. Giraffe ate leaves and white bellbird ate fruits from trees. Giraffe ate leaves from the tree. You all know that giraffe eat the leaves and white bellbird ate fruits from the trees. One evening they saw a ship sailing in the ocean. And one evening when they are there, they saw a ship is sailing in the ocean. They thought of different ways to seek help. They thought to get the help. Giraffe couldn't fly. You all know that giraffe walks only. He couldn't fly. And the bird was too tiny to fly over a long distance. And bird is small to fly over the very long distance there. None of them wanted to leave the other alone. Means they are good friends, so they don't want to leave each other. So they thought of a way out. Now they thought of a plan there. Come to the next page. While Giraffe moved his tall neck to give a signal to the sailors on the ship. At this time, Giraffe is moving his tall neck to give the sailors a signal. White bellbird uses its high-pitched sound to call them. And white bellbird uses pitch of sound to call the sailors. Finally, they both were rescued. Now they rescued by the sailors. The two of them, despite being different, remained friends even after reaching their homes. And when they reach their home, after that also they are friends. After watching the play, Snake and Sparrow realized that true friends love each other no matter what. After seeing this play, Snake and Sparrow realized that true friends always love each other no matter who they are and what type of animals they are. Just then Sparrow asked Snake, "What do you like doing best?" Sparrow asked the snake that what do you like to doing best? He's saying playing and chatting with you, answered snake. I also like doing the same, said Sparrow. Sparrow said, I also like to doing playing and chatting with you. Then she drew something in the green part. Now she drew something in the green part, this one. She further questioned, what makes you happy? Now she's asking next question, what makes you happy? When the teacher lets me sit next to you, like you when you children, when you are also friends, you sit next to each other, na? Like this, snake is also very happy when snake sit next to Sparrow. Snake replied smilingly, same. So we both have the same happy place. So the Sparrow said that we have the same happy place, clapped Sparrow. What makes you sad? Asked the Sparrow. Now again Sparrow is asking, what makes you sad? When Papa says I should stay away from you, sighed Snake. Now Snake is saying that when Papa say to don't make the friendship with the Sparrow. I also feel sad when Mama says I should stay away from you. Na? So, sighed Sparrow. We are both sad for the same reason that our parents don't let us choose our friends. Because our parents not allowed us to be a friend, that's why we are sad. Let us write this in green part. These all things they write in a green part. Then Snake asked, who do you think is the best kind of friend? Now snake asks to sparrow that whom do you think that the best kind of friend? Someone who loves you, began sparrow. Sparrow said that someone who loves you, he is the best friend, he is your friend even when you are different, finished snake. Now they are seeing that they are much same than they are different. Yay, that makes four same things and three different things, and that's why we are four same things then three different things. So the same part wins, they said together while jumping in excitement, and they are saying that we are more same than we are different, and jumping in excitement as you are seeing in the picture. Okay, so up to this I have explained you. So go through the rest of the part of the chapter, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay beta, thank you.